Welcome to the cbse chemistry lecture series. In this class we are going to discuss about entrance exam questions like NEET, JEE, main, the type of entrance exam questions from the organic chemistry chapter, some basic principles of organic chemistry. MCQ questions with one correct answer. Let us discuss one by one questions. Which of the following type of hybridization is involved in the formation of cycloalkanes? So, how can you find out the answer for this type of problems? So, in this case, they are given the options sp3, sp, sp2, sp3d2. So, whatever things, first I will explain to you. If it is a carbon-carbon, single bond containing compounds like what? CH3, CH3. So, they are asking hybridization for this type of carbon means is a sp3 hybridization. Both are sp3. Suppose if it is a carbon-carbon double bond is there, then these are all called sp2 hybridization. Okay. Suppose if it is a carbon-carbon triple bond is there, then it is a sp hybridization. Sometimes if carbon double bond on both sides double bond, then it is called this carbon is a sp. If carbon is what? On both sides double bond means is a sp hybridization. But here they given cycloalkane, you can take a cyclobutane. So you want to see which one. All are single bond containing carbon atoms. So therefore it is a sp3 hybridization. Second question. The state of hybridization of the asterisk carbon in CH3, CH, double bond CH, C, double bond CH2 is just now I explained. If carbon-carbon on both sides double bond, then it is a what hybridization? So they are asking, this is the asterisk given in this problem. So the answer is sp hybridization. Third one. Naphthalene can be easily purified by a, they are given the options like crystallization, distillation, sublimation, extraction with solvent. This is purely based on the concept based. We have to know all the definitions. What is meant by crystallization? Which type of compound will be purified by crystallization methods? Then distillation, which type of compounds will be purified, and sublimation and extraction with solvent. Here you know that when naphthalene is nothing but in the house we are using the mothballs. Yes, that is called naphthalene. So in this case, naphthalene is a substance which can be directly converted into solid state to gaseous state. So you have to think about the definition for this case. Sublimation is the correct one because a substance which can be directly converted from solid to gaseous state without passing the intermediate liquid. That is called sublimation. So this is a correct option. Yes, the fourth one. The IUPAC name for the compound is cyclopentane is here and CH3, sir. So if we take this as a parent name, here it is a 2-cyclopentyl propane. So option 1 may be the correct one. Then if you think about other ways, this is a parent name, this is isopropyl benzene, but that type of option is not given here. So which is the correct one? So you have to think about the parent name. Always the maximum number of carbon should be the parent name. So this may be the parent name. This is the substituents. So you have to give the numbering 1, 2 and this is another substance. So this is attached in the first carbon atom. So 1-methyl, this is ethyl. So 1-methyl ethyl cyclopentane is a correct IUPAC name for this compound. The next one. A mixture of orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol can be separated by, what is the answer for this question? Sublimation, distillation, vacuum, simple distillation, steam distillation. So all the types of distillations are given here. Apart from that, sublimation is also there. So sublimation is not applicable here because there is not a solid compound. So orthonitrophenol, paranitrophenol both are liquid compounds. So in this case we have to think about the distillations. So the distillation also, when we can use the vacuum distillation and when we can use the simple distillation. The simple distillation is what? If the difference in the temperature, if it is a difference in the boiling point is above 30 Kelvin, then you have to go for these simple distillations. Suppose if it is a vacuum distillation means the compound will be decomposed at its original temperature. In that case, you have to reduce the pressure or reduced pressure only we can distill that type of compound. Say for example, glycerol is having that type of nature. The another one is a steam distillation. Orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol both can be separated by the steam distillation, because in these compounds orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol both are involved in the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, whereas the case of orthonitrophenol is a intramolecular hydrogen bonding, that is a steam volatile nature. Therefore, these two compounds can be separated by steam distillation. The sixth one, 0.2 gram of organic compound in complete combustion of produces 0.44 gram of carbon dioxide. Then the percentage of carbon is, what is the percentage of this carbon atom? So you want to use the formula. Percentage of carbon is equal to 12 by 44 is the mass of what? Carbon dioxide into mass of carbon dioxide is W1 and mass of an organic compound is W into 100. So here they are given as the percentage of carbon they are asking. Yes, you want to use the formula 12 divided by 44 into 0.44 divided by mass of an organic compound is 0.20 into 100. If we simplify this one, this is what? 4 will be cancelled. 0.1 is there. Here it is what? 0.20. We simplify it. It will comes about 60%. So the answer is 60 is the correct one. The next one, the IUPAC name for this compound CH3CH double bond CH COOCTH5. First of all, you want to identify, before giving the IUPAC name, you want to find out which is the functional group is there. Here functional group is ester. If ester means the suffix word for ester is OATE, that is a suffix word for ester. In this case, you have to number the carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means what is the parent name? Bute. And double bond is there where it is 2. So that is the suffix en. Then you have to add the ester suffix OATE. And what is this case? Ethyl butadiene. So where is the option? The B is the correct option. Next question, 8th question. IUPAC name for these following compounds. So in this case, if you have to, which side you want to start numbering from this one? Whether you have to give numbering from this functional group OH or from that two methyl groups. So what is which side you have to give the numbers? So you start numbering from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So always it should be least number will comes here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means cyclohexane, correct? And OH is there, that is a cyclohexanol. Then third position, we are having one methyl group. So 3,3-dimethyl, 1 cyclohexanol. That is the correct option. Next one. Which of the following is the most stable carbocation? So we have to identify which is the most stable carbocation. So this explained on the basis of hyperconjugation effect. So here in this case, how many type of what? This carbocation have the possibility of resonance structures. If you think about CH3 3 times means 9 hydrogen atom is there. So 9 resonance structures possible for this tertiary. Then here 6, here 5, here 3 is what? Sorry, only 1 is possible. So in this case, the one which is having more resonance structures under the hyperconjugate effect, therefore the tertiary carbocation is a more stable species. The next one is a organic problem type of questions. The ammonia evolved from the treatment of 0.30 gram of an organic compound for the estimation of nitrogen was passed in 100 ml of 0.1 m sulfuric acid. The excess acid required 20 ml of 0.5 m sodium hydroxide solution for complete neutralization. The organic compound is acetamide, benzamide, urea, thiourea. First of all, you have to know all these formula of these compounds and we have to work out. The acetamide is nothing but CH3 CONH2 is the formula for acetamide. Benzamide C6H5 CONH2. Urea NH2 CONH2. And thiourea NH2 CSNH2. So these are the formula for the compounds. So we have to work out and what? Find out the percentage of nitrogen in this case. Yes, first you have to use the formula. Volume of acid left unused is equal to VML of 0.1 m sulfuric acid. So here in this case V into 0.1 into basicity of sulfuric acid is 2, which is equal to 20 into 0.5 into 1, that is V is equal to 50 ml. So volume of acid used is 100 minus 50, which is equal to 50 ml of 0.1 m sulfuric acid. Okay, so if you want to find out the percentage of nitrogen is equal to 1.4 into basicity of the acid is 2, sulfuric acid is 2, into volume of acid used is what? 50, into molarity of the acid is 0.1 divided by mass of an organic compound, which is 0.3. If we simplify all these things, we are getting a percentage of 46.6% of nitrogen in that particular organic compound. So in this case, you have to find out the molar mass of all these things. So here nitrogen is what? 14 divided by the total molar mass of acetamide. What is the total molar mass of acetamide? Is nothing but 59 into 100. So what will be the answers? So here is 23.72% of nitrogen in acetamide. Similarly, you want to work out for benzamide. So in this case, if you are working out the things, so nitrogen atomic mass is 14 divided by the total molar mass of benzamide, that is 121 into 100. We can get the answer 11.57%. Suppose if you are working out for what? Urea is 2 nitrogen atoms. So you have to put a 28 divided by, so nitrogen 14 plus 4, 18, then the carbon is 12, so you have to say 30, then what? 56. Okay, so total is what? 60 is a molar mass into 100, that is a 46.6%. And the thiourea is, if you work out the things, it will be 36.84. So the answer, exactly answer is urea is the correct one. Thank you, students. If you have any comments, please mention the comment box or question. Thank you, students.